네.
Control the temperature.
Yeah, the electric control. Turn on, turn off, and
물도 어디 갔다? 이도 딱 내려.
소유 차고
전기로. 이것도 이제 어떤
붙인다고
네,
이거를요?
그치, 이제 이런 어떤 용접을 붙이는 거 판공을 접는다고 봐요.
접는다.
이래서 붙이는데 용도가 다 들어갑니다.
이건 접는다.
This equipment is mainly used to bend steels and kind of connecting together.
Oh,
There will be very good relations between Korea and Malaysia.
what did you export to Malaysia? What product?
You mean what product?
Yeah.
어떤 제품들을 수출하고 계시냐고.
Seaweed.
Seaweed, we are very special about seaweed manufacturer and exporter.
All the Japanese restaurant in Malaysia, the seaweed come from Manjun Foods.
시장님께서는
After visiting Iteco, Klon, and Manjun Food, I strongly feel that the small and medium enterprise in Hanam City are very successful, and the products are very accepted by the world market. Accepted by the world market. For example, Manjun just now exported to 23 companies, including Japan, US, Singapore, Malaysia, Germany. So these are the countries that are really looking for good, high-quality goods, and the producer like Manjun Food and Iteco managed to put the SME, the small and medium enterprise in Hanam City, to a world-class industry people. Thank you very much. The purpose of our visiting Hanam from 샤알람 City Council is to foster good relationship between 샤알람 and Hanam in the field of cultures, education, and also future businesses between the two cities. And we hope we can have more people from this city, Hanam, to visit us, and also there will be more people from, and also the business people from both cities to have mutual benefits and understanding in the near future. We have, in fact, tomorrow we are going to meet the mayor of Hanam City, so we will discuss further about this mutual understanding and future relationship between the two cities, that is Hanam and 샤알람 City Council. Thank you very much.
네, 오늘 그 말레이시아 샤알람 시장님 모시고 지금 하남 기업체들을 몇 군데 지금 견학을 하고 있습니다. 우리 하남시와 말레이시아 샤알람시하고 자매 결연이 맺어지면 앞으로 저희 우리 경제인들도 기업을 한 우리 경제인들도 많은 협조가 돼서 말레이시아는 물론 말레이시아를 거점으로 싱가포르, 태국 이쪽으로 같이 육로가 연결되기 때문에 그 동남아시아 그쪽으로 진출하는데 그 교두보 역할을 할 수 있을 것 같습니다.
수영할 수 있다고 15만인데 30년도 사실.
Ini betul, ini betul.
이번에 중부고속도로, 고속도로, 하이웨이. 여기와 여기는 아직 개발을 안 했는데.
From Hanam to Seoul to Incheon Airport, no train?
They don't have a train straight to there, but you can get to it by highway, or if you go to a little bit, about 10 minutes to Seoul, you can take a train. How many female?
How many female? Not many. 4. No, counselors. Counselors got 4 female. But officer staff, oh, no, I think more female. More ladies. Yeah. Okay, about 50.
아니 의회가 아니고 의원이 아니고 직원이 남의 의원은
What happened? What happened is that in the universities, I do not know in your country, in Malaysia, in the universities,